Section Cutout is another powerful AI web design tool. It enables you to copy sections from other websites and merge them into another website. Let's see it in action. This is a website for a cleaning company. As I scroll, you can see that the website doesn't have many sections, and so there are fewer texts, fewer links, and fewer images or media items. Because of this, the website isn't very SEO friendly. We can use the Section Cutout tool to add more quality sections or even replace sections that we do not like. I have found a website that is very beautiful, and even though it is not related to cleaning services, I can simply copy sections from this website and merge them into my cleaning services website. I think I like the pricing section, so I'll simply copy the website link and then head over to the Section Cutout tool, paste the link, and click Load. The website has been successfully loaded inside the Section Cutout tool. Now, I can simply click to select any section that I like on this website. I like the pricing section, so I'll scroll down to it. And here it is. As you can see, when I hover my mouse, it indicates which section my cursor is currently in. Right now, my mouse cursor is within the pricing section, so I'll simply click anywhere within this section to select it. It has now been indicated that the pricing section has been selected, and here it says that 1 out of 15 sections has been selected. This toggle is automatically turned on to preserve any JavaScript animations or interactivity within the section we are copying. If you want to leave JavaScript out, you can simply toggle it off, but I'll keep all the JavaScript inside the section and then click the Export HTML button. Now, a prompt has been automatically generated for us. I'll copy the prompt. A standalone HTML version of the section has also been exported. I will now head over to my AI website builder. I am using Lovable. I'll paste the prompt and then drag and drop the exported HTML into Lovable. Now I'll click Enter for Lovable to do its magic. Alright, Lovable is done merging the new section. If we go to the front page, reload, and scroll down, we can now see that a pricing section has been added. Here it says Special Packages. The JavaScript interactivity has been preserved as well. We can toggle between the monthly and annual payment plans, and we can see the changes. Also, the colors and other styling attributes have been modified to match the style of our original website. I have also seen another section on this website that I really like. Here it is. So, I'll simply copy the URL of this website, head over to the Section Cutout tool, paste it, and load the site. The site has been loaded, and so I'll scroll to the section that I intend to copy. Here it is. I will click anywhere within the section to select it. I have JavaScript preservation turned on. I'll now click the Export button to export the HTML. I'll copy the prompt and head over to my AI builder. I'll paste the prompt, drag and drop the exported HTML, and then hit Enter for my AI builder to merge the section. The merging is complete. Let's look at it on the front end. Here it is. As you can see, all animations have been preserved. I will add 2 more sections to our cleaning website. So, I came across this website, and I will copy its link and load it inside the Section Cutout tool. As usual, the site has been loaded. I will copy 2 sections from this particular site. I like this featured section. I have clicked to select it. And I also like this testimonial section, so I'll click anywhere within this section to select it as well. We now have 2 out of 14 sections selected. We are keeping all the JavaScript. I'll now click the Export button to export the HTML. Then I'll copy the prompt and head over to my AI builder. I'll paste the prompt and then drag and drop the exported HTML. It has been uploaded, so I'll click Enter to start merging the sections. My AI builder says the merging is complete. Let's check it on the front end. I'll reload the page. And when I scroll down, we can see the new section that has been added. This is one of them. And then the testimonial section. Here it is. All interactivity has been preserved. I would recommend that whenever you upload the HTML file and paste your prompt, you should specify which page the merging should occur on. So if the home page is your target page, you can simply write target page, home page. If it is the about page, you can simply write about or about us. This is very important because if you do not specify the target page, your AI builder might implement the merge on a page that it thinks is the best fit. For instance, the AI could have merged my new sections onto the services page. So that's pretty much it for the section cutout tool. If you would like to build quality professional websites, I recommend that you visit the AIWebsitePromptGenerator.com website. There, you will find really powerful AI web design tools that can help you build quality, professional, SEO-friendly websites. Thank you for watching. Share this video with someone you believe might also find it helpful. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our new tutorials. Good luck with your AI web design projects.